Doing photography was a way for me just to get out and just free my mind after work. Little by little, it has become like a passion for me. My goal is just to keep on capturing the world around me and hopefully inspire people. My name is Oliver Wong. I consider myself as a modern content creator. I do photography and videography. I think the new Nikon Z can really help me improving my work because I'm doing photo and video at the same time. And until now, I was using two bodies, so one for photos and one for video. I really like this kind of group trip where there are different creative minds around me because I usually work alone on my own with my assistant. Really inspiring to see how everyone is working and also what's their motivation around their own style of photography. What is great is each of us has his own, style of photo or video, and it is really inspiring to learn from each other and also maybe find some good tips that I can apply to my own process. So I think this was great to have all this creative mind around me for this group trip. I think I will try to go to Granada for a sunrise shooting. I know that I've seen some beautiful photos of the street, like typical, city center and historical. So it's going to be great to test the video while the Spanish people are still sleeping. Just get lost in the street and try the video and see if I can shoot both photos and videos at the same time. We will go there for sunrise and I will try to focus on travel content, so photo and video at the same time. I really like to shoot in the streets, 70 to 200, 2.8. It's not the common lens for street photography, but I really like it because it gives that compressed perspective. I think it's good to know how the picture was made, what's the process of creating behind it, and that's why I think showing the behind the scenes of what you are shooting as a content creator is really important, and that's why people are interested in my work more than before since I started to show my behind the scenes. As you go. Nikon has an app called SnapBridge, and you can connect it directly to the new Nikon Z. Download the raw file or just social media ready files, and then I have them directly on my phone. Nikon Z for me is compact, versatile, and groundbreaking.
Ooh. Perfect.
I'm going to try something I always wanted to do, like drone light painting photography. So basically I will try to put some lights on a drone, just fly around and do long exposure with the Nikon Z and try to see if I can have to create a halo pattern in the sky. So as we are in the beautiful desert of Tabernas, I think I'm going to go with one of my favorite lens, 14 to 30 mm f4. The most important part of an image for me is the light and the composition. The light for me is the foundation of every image because it gives shapes and form to every scene I capture. I started to watch a lot of tutorials online. I I started to just go out, practice, shoot a lot of photos, really practicing a lot.
Man, I just have to wait for blue hour.
When I used to work as an engineer, I was doing like maybe 3-4 times a week doing sunrise and sunset because it was the only time for me that I have some free time to practice. I had a lot of expectation to shoot low light. I was kind of blown away by the ability to capture the long exposure and have an image that is really beautiful, even if it was in low light condition. And also it has some night feature that was really helpful, the starlight view. Great to shoot in low light with the new Nikon Z, and I'm really happy about it.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi, guys.
How are you? You good?
Good.
How was you guys? All good? Yeah. All good? Spend a nice day. The wind started to be blow like really crazy. And then, yeah, we couldn't fly the drone. When we fly the drone, it was like beep, beep. I don't want to fly. Yeah, get away with your picture. I don't want to fly.
Were you satisfied or not?
Yeah, I can show you if you want. Yeah? Preview. So 1, 2, 3. No, it was not.
Wow.
So this is one of the shots, and we did a lot of few shots.
Going full-time photography was not an easy decision, so I think my biggest sacrifice that I did for where I am right now is like just quitting my job as an engineer and try to live with being a full-time photographer.
Very funny guy, you know, I like his energy. I mean, I didn't know his work, but when I saw him shooting, I started challenging him, you know. And I look at him and like, just on purpose, you know, what are you doing with the camera? It's upside down.
Action.
I feel the guy is very talented. He takes very serious what he does. It's fun to see how they operate, but they're able to make a living and to have an impact on photography through the new channels, which is amazing and enlightening and nice to have really time to share with these people how they look at things and how they work.
In this trip, I think I've been inspired most by Wonguy because he's trying to get me to take more videos. So maybe I'll be doing more behind the scenes videos with the camera. So that's been inspiring.
But I used to be like really focused on the figures and stuff like that, like posting every day, trying to get that shot, that perfect shot. I still need to find the right balance between my family and, you know, because focusing on just numbers is not great. And also, when you are doing your stuff on social media, you always want to post. Yeah. So sometimes I force myself to go out and shoot, and it's not the right thing to do.
My next move, as I say, I don't have any goals, you know, as a photographer or videographer. I just want to, you know, keep on capturing the world, experimenting new things, and, you know, just keep on following my own path and do what I love to do, so taking photos, learning more about videography, because I only studied videography a few years ago, so I still have like a long learning curve in front of me. So yeah, just keep on doing image making, and hopefully someday I will do other stuff. Just go with the flow, and if there are another social media platform, maybe try it and just try to be ahead of the next trend and see how I can evolve from there.
Ready?
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 Ready.
Ready. Action.